Who is this big company that has just hired a philosopher to train their AGI? I'm talking about Google Deepmind. Okay, so Google Deepmind is a really big company, and this was founded by David Demisesabes and Mustafa Suleiman, and it's a UK-based company. So they are pretty well known in the industry. Why they are known? Because there is one reason behind it. Because they made an algorithm called as AlphaGo in 2016 to beat the world champion, and he had 18 world record titles in the game of Go, and he was considered as one of the greatest of all time in that era, right? In that decade at least, right? So they designed an AI algorithm known as AlphaGo to beat the world champion Sedol. So why it is a big deal? So basically there are two types of board games that are known to be really challenging for our minds. So one is Go and the second is chess. So here you have to understand one thing as really well. Okay, the computer was able to defeat the world champion of chess, Garry Kasparov, in 1997, and the algorithm name was Deep Blue. That was in 1997, and from 1997 to 2016, nobody was able to defeat a world champion of Go, because Go is way too complex. It has so many calculations as compared to the chess, and it's mind consuming, and the game goes for hours and hours and hours long, right? So they made this thing AlphaGo, the algorithm, and it was a really big shock, because I'll tell you in the next video why it was a really big shock to the South Asian countries and all. So now they have hired a philosopher. That means there is AGI, and there is absolutely no debate about it. Thank you.